Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Saba Goddess. So, today we are diving deep into the world of IBM QRadar, a powerhouse in the realm of security, information, and event management system. So, let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. Let me start the presentation. Yes. Imagine QRadar as the vigilant guardian of your digital fortress, tirelessly monitoring your network for any signs of trouble. Let's break down what makes QRadar such a superb in the fight against the cyber threat. The QRadar serves as the centralized hub for collecting, analyzing, and correlating the security data from across your entire IT infrastructure. It aggregates the logs, events, and flow data from various sources, including your networking devices, servers, endpoints, and even applications. QRadar employs advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms to detect the potential security threats in the real time. It can identify the suspicious patterns or anomalies or IOC indicators of compromise that may indicate a cyber attack is underway. With the QRadar, you are not just staring at the wall of your data. You are empowered with a customizable dashboard and reports that provide actionable insights into your security posture. You can tailor this dashboard to focus on specific area of concern and generate reports to meet compliance requirement or share with the stakeholders also. QRadar doesn't just detect threats, it also helps you to respond to them swiftly and effectively. It offers built-in automation and orchestration capabilities that allows you to automate your response actions, triggered alert, and even execute the predefined playbooks to contain and mitigate the security incidents. To stay ahead on the curve, the QRadar integrates seamlessly with external TI sources. It can ingest threat feeds, indicators of compromise, and vulnerability data from the sources like IBM Exports Exchange, Taxi feed, and open sources intelligence platforms, etc., to enrich its detection capability. Whether you are a small business or a global enterprise, QRadar scales to meet your needs. It offers flexible deployment options, including on premises, cloud, and even hybrid deployment, which allowing you to tailor the solution to fit your organization infrastructure and security requirement. So overall, IBM QRadar is not just a SIM tool, it's a comprehensive security intelligence platform that empower the organization to detect, investigate, and to respond to the security threats within the speed and precision. So that's all. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of IBM QRadar. So remember, in the ever evolving landscape of cybersecurity, having the right tool at your disposal can make you all the difference. So until next time, stay vigilant, stay secure, and happy defending. Before leaving, please give a like, comment, and share this video to your friends. So that's all. Bye. Have a nice day. One more thing. Just here, go to home. One second. Here na. In my another channel, I'm publishing my journey related to my studies, masters, and also some tutorial or courses related to the subjects that I am studying in my masters, MSc Cyber Forensic and Information Security. So you can follow this channel to know my journey, educational journey. Okay, so that's all. Bye. Have a nice day. I'm also sharing some career tips in this channel too. Okay, bye.